history. Sam Sharpe was born in this community,
Yes.
right? Mr. Yuan said the community was actually two parts. It was, you said it, Craig.
The right side, heading from Cambridge, it's Croydon, and the left side is Lapron. Property.
Properties.
Yeah.
Two major properties.
Yes.
Buckmaster property.
Two Buckmaster properties.
It's everything.
Yes, from way back.
Yeah.
But all of that should change, But Sam Sharpe was on one of these, somewhere here.
Yeah, Croydon.
Croydon.
On that plantation.
Sam Sharpe is from the Croydon
Croydon
plantation. And this is where his mother, his family came from and so forth. But he engineered what become independent
Jamaica.
Actually, not just Jamaica, it's actually free
Free
people.
Free people.
Right? Because it's not just Jamaica that the independent, I mean, it had impact all over the world. So Sam Sharpe engineered it from here.
Yeah.
This community is the cradle. I want to use that
The
word.
home of Sam Sharpe.
The home